One of the misperceptions about security is that you have to be extremely technical to deal with security. If you're doing monitoring of IDS systems and things a little bit more complicated, then of course you need to have a little bit more technical background. But coming from the background that I came from, which is a business background, more public relations, I did have a foundation of some computer and technology things working for Dell. But coming into this space, most of the things that I did was more security, assurance, audit, risk assessment, that type of thing, which is not as technical, but you have to be able to understand the concepts. And so I think the program was definitely great. Again, I was exposed to a lot of things that I probably wouldn't have been exposed to had I not been in the program. So. One of the things I would share with somebody who's really interested in looking at the program is you'll have faculty and staff people there within the program that are really there to assist you, that definitely communicate. So if you send an email, you don't have to wait 2 or 3 days to get a response back. They're very responsive. They want to help you make sure you have all your questions answered for any kind of assignment or any question you have about the curriculum. That's one of the things I appreciated. One of the biggest advantages and one of the strongest points I could say for Lipscomb's program is the intentional community focus and exposure. We were able to do a field trip to an offsite data center and learn more about that process. I was also able to do a field trip to Nissan and learn a little bit more about their security program, and I thought that was really awesome. And so just having the opportunity to be exposed to different things and having different faculty members and different guest speakers come in and teach me more about the program and different things that are happening in the security industry was a huge highlight for me.